Both Ohio and Kentucky now reporting cases of that respiratory virus, which is spreading rapidly in children. Medical reporter Liz Bonis asked the experts at TriHealth what we all need to know about it in today's Medical Edge.
So the one case hasn't been identified as being that, but certainly could be the one case we've seen.
It starts out much like the common cold, and Enterovirus D68, as it's now known, appears to be spreading just as quickly.
Probably because there hasn't been a lot of outbreaks, there's probably not a lot of immunity. So with not a lot of immunity, it's very easy for it to spread, and that's certainly what they are experiencing.
Kids really need to be extra careful with hand washing, according to Dr. Scott Woods. He's a family medicine specialist who says he thinks that he just saw his first case in a teenager. He didn't need to be hospitalized, but he was so sick it was like seeing the virus that causes the flu when we are not in flu season. He said that's partly why the spread of this is so alarming.
He does point out this is not a new virus. It's been around since the 60s, and there are things that we can do to help prevent it. He says most people can heal on their own, but if not, then you need to know about some other symptoms.
As this video, courtesy of the Cleveland Clinic, shows, those symptoms include severe breathing problems, a bad cough, and a high fever. Medications can calm some of the symptoms, but prevention, such as staying away from those who are sick, that's the first start.
And then most importantly, keeping your own hands off your own respiratory tract. So keep the hands off the face, off the nose, mouth, and eyes.
Dr. Wood says this is great practice for what will be the real flu season, which will be here in just a few weeks. At TriHealth's Bethesda Family Practice in University Station, Liz Bonis, Local 12 News.
And flu shots will be available in a few weeks as well. If you have a question for a provider at TriHealth, go to local12.com and click on Ask the Expert. We're lining up here next week for flu shots, which is